With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question is the diagonal AC of a quadrilateral ABCD divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Prove that the diagonal AC bisects the diagonal BD. Okay, so here first of all let's draw the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so let's draw the quadrilateral here. So you can take any quadrilateral, is the size or the size of the sides are not given. Okay, so here we have drawn the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, now what we have to draw? We have to draw the two diagonals. So this is one diagonal, this is one diagonal, okay, and this is the second diagonal. So let's say this is ABCD. Okay, so the first diagonal AC, so the diagonal AC of a quadrilateral diagonal which divides the quadrilateral into triangles which has equal areas. Okay, let us say triangle ABC, triangle ABC equals to triangle ACD or ADC. Equal here, triangle means the areas. Okay, the areas are equal. Okay, so you can write it as area of. Okay, so from D point we have to do a simple construction. From D point we'll draw a perpendicular on AC. Let's say this is DN, and from B point also a perpendicular on AC, which will be BM. This angle is 90, this angle is 90. Okay, so the construction is draw DN, sorry, the first one is DN perpendicular to AC and BM perpendicular to AB. Okay, so this will be the construction. Now let's continue. So here if you look at the diagram, we can see that here it is given triangle ABC equals to triangle ADC. That means the areas are equal. So if we find out the area of the triangle ABC, it is, so therefore area of triangle ABC is equals to what? If we take AC as the base, so it will be half into base into height, half into base, that means AC into height. The height is the what? The distance from the vertex to the base, the parallel distance, that means perpendicular distance, sorry, the perpendicular distance from the vertex to the base. This is the base and this is the perpendicular distance, BM. Similarly, you can write the area of triangle ADC equals to half into the base is the same, AC base, into, so the area of triangle ADC is what? Half into base AC into DN, the perpendicular distance, so it will be AC into DN. Okay, so AC into DN. Now it is given that these two are equal, so from here you can write that therefore if these two are equal, this half and half will be cancelled, AC cancelled, so therefore from here what you can see, it will be BM equals to DN. Okay, so as they said equal, and earlier we have mentioned it here that the areas are equal, so if we make them equal, this half cancelled, AC cancelled, and only BM will be equals to DN left. Okay, so now if we consider these two triangles, let's say this point is O, the intersecting point is O. If we consider the triangle BMO and DNO, so what do we find? So from here you can write in triangle BMO and triangle DNO. First thing is what? First thing we have got that BM equals to DN. BM equals to DN. That means BM, this side and this side are equal. Okay, and this angle 90 degree. So if this angle is 90, this angle is also 90. So angle BMO equals to angle DNO. Secondly, angle BMO equals to angle DNO equals to 90 degree, as we have drawn it. And the third thing we get is angle BOM equals to angle DON. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. If you look at the diagram here, you can see that this angle and this angle will be equal because they are vertically opposite angle. So these two triangles are what? Congruent. So from here you can write that therefore triangle BMO congruent to triangle DNO. As these two triangles are congruent by using CPCT, that means corresponding part of congruent triangle, what you can find from here, it will be BO will be equals to OD. So from here you can write that by CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle, you can write that BO equals to OD. That means the line BD is bisected at point O. So from that point O, the AC line is also passed. So we can say from here that therefore AC bisects bisects BD. This is what we have to prove. So we have to prove that the diagonal AC bisects the diagonal BD, and we have proved it. So this is the required solution for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.